I'm just here with all my friends. Not that guy. He's looking a bit worse for wear. Mate, when's the last time you had a haircut? But overall, bloody nice place. It's getting a bit of fuel. Oh, that's it. Now, it feels like I've only just said this, but I will say it again. We've got a new view, people! So, we do have a new truck. Get out of this little fuel sort of island. So this will be the new ride. We stuck it out with the Freightliner. Yes, it was a new truck. Yes, it was fairly comfortable. But yes, it had way too many fucking sensors, bells, buzzers, you name it. It had the shit things. So we stepped up, we're into a Kenworth 610 now. Anyway, here's one of the things that I wanted to touch base on. A lot of people were saying in the comments, which I fucking love, I'll read them all, places where you stop, rest areas, service station, all that sort of stuff. Unfortunately, where we get fuel, this is have to be probably the worst place you could stop at. Coolac Mobil. It's just a fucking ghost town. The size of it is, it's fucking massive. But nothing, it's never open. They've got, I can't even stop really, you won't be able to see with the glare, but nearly every Bowser has a tag on the the fuel hose that says out of order or no fuel. They've shut the truckers lounge, they've shut the cafe, it's never open. So all it is a little service, or a big service station with a bit of petrol for cars and a few fridges with drinks in it. The toilets aren't clean, and worst thing I've heard yet, I haven't tried to have a shower here, but one of the other boys I work with has, and he says he's walked in there, he's ripped all his gear off, turned the shower on, waiting, he's still waiting, and there's no hot water. So when you've had a long day, you don't get to go home, you go to a public toilet, so you've got to fucking wipe all the seat down because some dirty bastard's either pissed all over it or worse, fucking squatting over the top of it because they're used to shitting in a fucking hole from where they come from. You gotta clean all the fucking toilet seat down. You gotta jump in the shower and there's not even hot water. That's a wipe. So, look, we fill up here, or across the road. We fill up here because it's pretty much the halfway mark. And I'll sit here and I'll have my half-hour break from a book. But it's such a shame that this place is never open. You can't get anything to eat. They don't even sell pies and sausage rolls at the service station because no one goes in there. It's like a double-edged sword. No one comes here because it's never open, and they don't open the place and they don't have things here for the truck drivers or the other people because no one comes. So it's like the old thing, build it and they will come. Well, they've built the fucking place and they just don't stock it. You know, what do they think? Oh, they're going to make $1 million a week by not fucking having fuel or fucking sausage rolls. Even the fridges aren't stocked properly. So I really hope that if I put this video up in a year's time, someone comments on this and says, Shane, you're a fucking idiot. What are you talking about? Kulak's fucking popping off. It's busy. You know, it's like this. You've already seen there's heaps of fucking parking. But I really hope that someone says, I don't know what you're talking about. The place is open. They've opened new restaurants inside. It's great. But at the moment, it's a fucking 1 out of 10. Yeah, so we're back. Only a few days later. I swear I had nothing to do with this. Police tape. You can't get in there. Reason being, very strangely, the worst place I've given a review to, it's been fucking burnt down. She's burnt to a fucking crisp. Can someone say insurance job? Because this place, it was fucking deader than a fucking doorknob. Nothing was happening ever. And then all of a sudden it gets burnt down. I might go for a walk over. We'll park the truck out the front here. We won't touch a police tape, but might go for a walk over and show you how burnt out it is. This is where I drove past, or drove up that way last week. And I said all these things, all these Bowsers, they've got these on them. Sorry, out of order. Like, they didn't even have fuel. I'm not going to walk inside, because that's just going to be fucking silly. But look at this. It's just fucking burned to a crisp. Nothing inside. The whole place is just fucking, all the pipes outside, they're all fucking melted. The whole wall, it still smells like smoke. The whole wall, you can see it's all warped and bent. Yeah, that's the fire hose. It didn't help. Yeah, definitely wasn't planned, I think. But We'll just say I had nothing to do with this. Yeah.